Whether you drive a 996, 997, or one of the newer 981, 982, or 9 Alpha 1-powered 911s, getting your oil level right is critical for reliability and performance. Let's start with the early cars. 4 1997 to 2008 models with a dipstick. Make sure the engine is completely cold and the car is parked on a level surface. Wait at least 8 hours since your last drive before checking the oil. Do not rely on the electronic countdown on the dash. It's not enough time for oil to fully drain back into the sump. If your car has the updated dipstick, part number 996-107-014-55, you can safely fill to the full mark. If it has the older -54 dipstick, set the level halfway between the minimum and maximum marks. For Boxster it's the same. -01 or -02 dipsticks, set to the halfway mark. -03, fill to the full mark. Why is all this care so important? Engine oil expands when hot, so if you fill it cold to the max, it'll be overfilled when hot. That means increased windage, aeration, and oil being sucked into the AOS, causing smoke and oil consumption. Now let's talk about 2009 and newer models, which have no dipstick and rely entirely on the electronic oil level system. For 2009 to 2012 models like the 987.2 and 997.2, drive the car until the engine is fully warmed up. Park on a level surface and let it idle. After about 1 minute of idling, use the steering wheel controls to access the oil level display under the vehicle menu. You must check the oil while the engine is still running and warm. For 2013 and newer models like the 981, 982, and 991 and later, drive the car until warm. Park on a level surface, then shut the engine off. Wait 1 minute, then check the oil level through the display. These models are not checked while idling, unlike the previous generation. In both cases, your target level is typically 1 bar below full, not at the very top. And remember, never wait for the low oil warning light to come on. If you're seeing that, you're already well below the safe minimum. Bonus tips. Never add more than half a quart at a time. Wait at least 10 minutes before rechecking. If you've installed an Allen Engineering half-quart deep sump, you regain full factory oil capacity while reducing windage and improving AOS performance. Having more oil gives you a larger heat sink. Track cars should be fitted with a 2-quart or larger deep sump and an upgraded AOS for maximum protection. Accidentally overfill your engine? Just replace your oil filter with a fresh one and be sure not to pre-fill it. Usually that's enough to get your oil level back into a safe range. And finally, always refer to your owner's manual for the correct procedure for your specific model and year.
Call or visit allenengineering.com to learn more.